Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to find the relay for your starter, engine starter. If you have problems with it guys, you have a fuse that you need to check, we have the video on the channel, and you have a relay. Start with those because that is the easiest thing to diagnose. We will also guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, all we need in return, like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. Let us know okay, if it's something you don't like, if it's something that you want us to improve, so we can make better videos for you. We highly appreciate your feedback. This is a 2015 model guys, but it should be the same for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016. Doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.4, 1.8, in Europe 1.6, the procedure is the same. First we need to guys open the hood, support it now, okay, and leave it like that. Now, you have guys, okay, let me show you where the starter is on this engine. That's the 1.8, but I think the 1.4 will be the same location. We have the intake removed, so I can show you a few things. And this is guys your starter on the back side of the engine. And this is your fuse box. That's where the relay will be located. So the relay guys is under this cover that has 3 clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Push towards each other, pull up. Okay, let me show you how they open and close. Okay, when you press, see how it spreads. Now the relay that we're looking at guys is actually relay number 2 guys. Okay, it's called relay, micro relay number 2. This, it will be this one, okay, right here. This is the one for your starter. Okay, let me adjust the angle a little bit. Okay, perfect, so you can see better. So this relay, you just grab it with your fingers, shake it a little bit and pull up at the same time. Okay, and you'll be able to remove it. Now, we guys have the part numbers and where we get our parts from in the description of the video below. You can find the relay there for a really good price as well. So, when you're ready to replace it, all we have to do, grab a new one, okay, and just guys, push it in. And practically this is the whole video guys. This is the relay. Now, when you're ready to put it together, okay, don't forget to put your cover. I forgot to mention guys, we're going to have a video on the channel that will explain how to test these relays. That way you will know for sure if yours is good, if it needs to be replaced, or you don't need to replace it. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to you. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.